That's why my camera's not focusing. Thank you God for a whole new month. This year, I don't know, I'm not really in the Christmas spirit yet. Hopefully that changes by next week. If it does, then yeah. If it doesn't, it's not the end of the world. I will be giving you guys a vlog or two here and there. I also have to catch up on so much editing. But before we ramble, hey friends, it's your girl Wendy, also known as Wendation. Welcome back to my channel. I'm actually in a hurry. As you can see, hair done. Well, I didn't do my hair today, but makeup is done. I'm just wearing like a cute little jumper with like this cute little sleeve stuff on the end. It's definitely winter time. Layering it up and looking cute is the focal point. I am bringing the Christmas spirit to Blankbox Studio. So I've been on the phone to Ryan, kind of been at it from like 11:30. I sent him to the range to pick up some stuff for the studio because I will be creating the set for the Blankbox Studios. I can't wait to see what everyone will end up like creating with this set. We've been meaning to do this for some time now, but we actually haven't gotten around to it. So I'm really excited that this is kind of officially our first set design project. Another thing I just want to really get off my chest is life has been lifing in so many different ways, but I am always grateful for every single person that kind of tunes into my videos and watches, likes, comments, subscribes. Like, you guys have honestly been so supportive. I cannot thank you enough. My heart is so full with gratitude, and honestly I pray that God continues to bless you all as you go on this journey with me. 2024 should be a more of a consistent flow. I'm just trying to prioritize my priorities right now, and vlogging and YouTubing, with everything else that goes on in life, you kind of have to like make that call and be like, okay, I kind of have to put this on pause to get my priorities together. So that's what this season of my life has been about. But I owe you guys videos, I owe you guys vibes, I owe you guys like everything. This is so giving like ski trip vibes. Yeah, so I have no business rambling for too long. I'm actually in a hurry, so now that I'm dressed, ready, I'm going to head to the station quickly, jump on the train to get to Blankbox to start this mission. So come along with me, guys. Guys, my eyes haven't stopped watering and now I've got this little mark on my... I'm on my way. I am cold. I just want to run quickly. I don't know what it is about trying to get to Blankbox on public transportation that is always a nightmare. I don't know why that's the thing. I just don't know in it. I've been stuck at flipping Charlie Brown roundabout, Charlie Brown, for like 20 minutes. Didn't want to walk because I felt like the bus would be faster and it was coming in 1 minute, so I was like, okay, cool, why not? Guys, I would have been made it already. Okay, I'm like a 3-minute walk away from the studio. I'm kind of tired. I don't like traffic, especially in London. But I'm almost there. I know where I am now. I've got one glove on, other glove off so I can use my phone. And it's just started to rain. I have my bag, I have like my umbrella just in case. This glove was a good idea. I think people always have a hard time finding the studio, but you basically just walk through this little alleyway part here. Blankbox Studio. Oh child, I am cold. Look cute though. I love it when my makeup oxidizes. It just gives me this cute little glow. I've just got a coat, ASOS, jumper, can't remember, probably Boohoo PLT or Shein. Jeans are Boohoo, cute. And then just trainers. So we just pulled up. As you can see, Ryan did a great job at getting most of the things that we needed. He put up the tree. This was his idea. I wasn't too crazy about it because it has these kind of blue lights. I'm trying to go for the warm white, but the tree looks really cute.
You get the bag and fumble it, I get the bag and flip it and tumble it. Straight off the lot, 300 cash, and the car came with a blunt in it. Lil' mama a thot, and she got ass, and she gon' fuck up a bag. Pull up to the spot, living too fast.
Okay guys, so quick update. We kind of got a little sidetracked over there because I just had to help Ryan out with some BTS content with an influencer. So we took some pictures, took some videos, and now we are back to Project Christmas Blankbox revamp, set design, I don't know, whatever you don't want to call it. But yeah, so we have Ryan over here. He's currently building what is this thing called? The surround of like the Christmas fireplace thing. So once that's done, I'm just gonna give you guys a quick run through of what we've got so far, give you guys a quick before and afterwards. I still feel like once we set it up, we may still need to get like just like little bits and pieces to just complete it all together, but at that point it would have been done and complete for the most part. So yeah, BRB.
It's very controversial.
How's he calling it a dog? Update, he's still at it. But it's kind of coming together. Obviously we got Sheldon here. Sheldon has joined us to assist as well. Okay, so right now what I'm about to do is some DIY. I have this wreath. As you can see, there's a lot of red in it. We're trying to keep our set very neutral. I asked Ryan to pick up some spray paint. This is by a brand called Pure. I've never used this particular brand before, but it says it has a gloss finish, which is good. So I'm gonna start off with like spraying the red, and then I probably will spray some of the acorns as well. I've got this, what's that thing that they say, magic in the madness. I'm not well equipped for this, but I kind of have a strategy that I feel like will work, which is to do that and just spray directly onto the, what is that called? I don't know what it's called, but these little berry looking things. So yeah, let's get that done. Just brush my hair, because one thing about being at Blankbox, guys, I'm gonna look like I'm working. I'm gonna look like I'm working. I'm gonna play some of my music and do this. So currently moving to the floor because I just feel like I would have some more space. Reindeer is so annoying. It wasn't bugging me before because it was like beside the tree, but now that I see it there, I'm just like, no, that thing needs to go.
I need to come out, it means that I'm not the job. I want to show you my world. Give me one break, I need faith. Faith to believe you, faith to receive you. Give me something I'm lacking, I don't need nothing. You are my everything. Only me and you, only me and you, only me and you, only me.
Yeah, Rudolph needs to go.
It's
It's just cheap looking. It just ruins the vibe. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And tell a friend to tell a friend, because we are growing together as a family. Those of you guys who know already, but on my Instagram, I've just recently started like a broadcast channel called Besties for the Resties. So we're going to bring that over to YouTube as well, because you guys are my besties for the resties. Period.